Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound plays after connect headphones with a phone. So, firstly, put your headphones to the charging case and after that close the case. Next, open it and check maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, let's check software version. So, open the application, scroll down and go to updates. You should have the last version, so if you haven't it, just install it. Next one, if it also didn't help you, try to, let's say you use this YouTube music player, so now we should reopen this application. So firstly remove it from the cache and open it again. Check it, maybe it help you also. Also, if you have Android, try to go to settings, then connected devices, and now click this settings icon here. Scroll down, and right here make sure that you have media audio enabled. Also, try to restart your phone or your tablet if you use it. Maybe it help you also. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then press and hold this connection button until you can see that this light starts flashing red. Here we go, we have it. Now we should remove these headphones from the phone. So click the settings icon or information icon if you have iOS. Forget device. Now click pair new device and click on your earbuds right here. Pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!